Whilst half of the world is on lockdown due to the pandemic, some other parts of our planet are thriving. Indeed, it's spring in the northern hemisphere, and as every year, nature is renewing itself again, more peacefully than ever, enabling us to contemplate all its marvels. But this is also, without the shadow of a doubt, an opportunity from another perspective. The global balance has been shifted by the context, not in our favor. Some enjoy this time to lie under the warm beams of a rather clement sun. Some decided otherwise. Why not expanding the family, for instance? The comfort we acquired over the past decades has blinded us from reality. Can an economic growth made at the expense of others among the planet be called a growth? Still, isn't there a possibility for us to grow all together in harmony? Speaking of which, what does harmony mean? I would say it is the tacit pact between all living things by which we decide to contribute to the same desire of common destiny. Do we choose to live according to this pact? Do we choose to say Amen, or do we stick to our old patterns? This historic break of the human production is a relief for nature. You don't need satellite pictures or sophisticated scientific studies to see it. There are some interesting lessons to get from this period, lessons which are yet to be defined. My name is Julian, and I am a fierce advocate of nature.